Hi guys, welcome back to Crypto Market. We are pleased to present the latest updates on economic, financial, and cryptocurrency news with a particular emphasis on XRP. XRP could go up in price if this works. Top Analyst. The recipe for XRP's price rise was suggested by prominent crypto analyst Ali Martinez. He was attributing it to a potential buy signal on the TD Sequential. Martinez suggested that if the buy signal is validated, XRP could potentially reach 45 cents. Binance shuts down operations in Canada. The remaining Canadian Binance users are currently receiving emails on how their Binance accounts will be impacted. Recently, Canada began advocating for stricter regulation on crypto platforms, which Binance disagrees with. Hence why Binance will withdraw from the Canadian marketplace. U.S. Congressman Brad Sherman has sent a letter to Gary Gensler, chair of the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, regarding the situation of Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. According to Sherman, as many as 850,000 retail investors are currently trapped in their GBTC investments due to the actions of GBTC and its parent company, Digital Currency Group. Sherman estimates that these investors' retirement security may be at risk. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and watch our other videos to know more about XRP, Ripple, and all world's economic news.